This is Michael. Michael loves high precision. His company is involved in high precision grinding and honing. Such a high level of accuracy can only be achieved with specialist high-end machinery. These machines are fully automated, and thus Michael has a lot of free time on his hands. Michael therefore has nothing else to do than wait. So he needs to find something to do to pass the time. Michael is a passionate RC modeler, and one day he discovered that he can fly model airplanes while he is waiting. Sort of. But he soon realized these games never really work properly on a tablet. You just don't get the right feeling. Michael is an inventor, and thus his imagination never sleeps. He can see things other people can't. The idea of the screen stick was born. However, just having an idea is not enough. You need skills, patience, imagination, and knowledge. Lots of planning and designing was necessary. Many ideas were rejected, and new solutions were found. Due to Michael's competence acquired through his job, he's able to design and develop components of the highest possible accuracy. Using the latest laser technology and some old-school turning, Michael has the skill set and the tools he needs in order to fabricate anything he imagines. A special material was needed in order to control sensitive touchscreens. Finally, the screen stick became a reality and was granted patent-pending status. The first ever functioning high-end sensitive joystick for touchscreens. Applications on your mobile device can now be controlled as precisely as you have always wanted. The screen stick can be used everywhere. It works fantastically. Michael now has so much fun. He even forgets what he should actually be doing. And if you don't want to fly, drive. Whatever you want to do. The screen stick can do it with absolute accuracy.